Trevor here. Now, yesterday I pressed a button and I made over $1,000. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. It sounds like the same old, the sort of stuff that we get fed on a daily basis into our email accounts, but it's actually true. It's fact. And I did this without having to do a review, without having to record a video. I literally pressed the button and made over $1,000. And you know what? You can do that too. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably been searching for a long time for a real genuine way to finally make money online. It was just a few years ago that things were completely different for me and I was up to my neck in debt. I was searching for a way to make money online. I stumbled across a guy called Fergal Downs. Now, Fergal became my first mentor, and from then, as they say, the rest is history. I've now gone on to do huge amounts in affiliate commissions and vendor sales, and I'm delighted to say that I've teamed up with Fergal and another friend, Max, to bring you this amazing course that's going to teach you how to build your own push button machine. Now the thing is, you see these emails and these sales pages for products that claim to be push button riches. They claim to be able to enable you to earn hundreds of dollars within a few minutes without doing any real work. But have they ever worked for you? And could they ever work? At the end of the day, we all know that if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So with ListProdigy, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you, number one, how to build an email list. Now, how to build an email list without having to become a product creator, without having to build and release your own products in order to get those buyers' email leads. We're going to teach you a way that uses unlimited traffic to get those buyers' leads. Now, the beauty about this system is that the way we've set it up, it means that not only will you be able to pay for that unlimited traffic, but you'll be making a profit from the word go and building your list, your buyers list, and that list then becomes your own personal ATM. You can literally click a button and make money. It's as simple as that. Yes, you will have to watch a few videos to learn how to do this, but no, you don't need any previous experience and you don't need to be techie at all. We're not techie guys, and this is what we do all the time. Now, when I first started out, I remember saying to my daughter once when she was just little, watch this, I'm gonna send this email, and by the time we get to that gate, which was about a minute away, I would have made money. She wasn't actually that interested at the time, bless her, but for me, I found this a fascinating and very, very exciting time. So I pressed this button, sent the email, we went to the gate, and sure enough, I got my first commission from that email by the time we got to that gate. And it's at that point that you think, wow, this is something else. And that is why it's a pleasure for me to share this with you. Now, if you join us during the launch period, you'll get in at an incredibly low price for what should be a high ticket training course. We've done this to enable as many people as possible to get this information so you can actually finally start making money online. Once you've got your own email list, an email list that is building consistently day in, day out, then you really have the ability to secure your financial status, to secure your future, to look after yourself and your loved ones, and to relax a little bit in what has become a bit of a crazy world, let's face it. So if you're fed up with the rubbish that you're seeing in your email inbox on a daily basis, and you just want something that works, something honest, something ethical, something straightforward, then ListProdigy is for you. All you need to do now is click on the buy button, buy this, access the members area, take the training, take action, and you will get results. Before you know it, you'll have your own list that's making you money on a daily basis, and that is a wonderful feeling. In the last couple of weeks, I've made nearly $2,500 on one offer where I didn't do a review, I didn't record a video, I literally pressed a button and I made the money. Now, this is the sort of thing that you can do. Now, I'm not saying that you can do this immediately. You won't be making $2,500 a day. We're not going to insult your intelligence by making you believe that that's possible. But what I am telling you is, if you follow the training in here and you take action, then there's no reason why you can't be a very, very successful affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer that doesn't have to worry about building products, sales pages, VSLs, websites, domains, videos, getting on camera. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You literally press a button and make money. Now, I've got to tell you as well, there's some clever stuff inside this training. I've been going through the training that Fergal's put together, and I've been taking that training myself, and it's a bit of an eye-opener. So we're not only going to teach you how to build your list, we're not only going to teach you how to make money from that list, we're going to teach you how to maximize the potential of that list so that more people open your emails, more people click the links in your emails, and more importantly, more people buy the things that you promote. So come on, every single moment that you delay is a moment wasted. Every day that you're not doing this, you're letting somebody else take the money. Don't you think it's time that you took the money? Go ahead, click on the buy button now, and we'll see you on the inside. All the best.